Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baroh kini kilongki khubor bam takasngi. Katnat Arts and Culture kalabo mau nongrem ban pen kala pen wandur thamai bat shna kijnan bapen itanat ek State Central Library Shillong ya kabalamang da National Library Board halor ka jingbei pisa ba ar point life like lor tingka ban pen itanat bat pen he ek State Library Complex. Ya kate ka thiar bo kon lapli da umentri rang ba aka JYlla u konvert ki sangma ha ka jingdan lang umentri katnat Arts and Culture ba Polingdo ba Frederick Harkongor ba ki officer katnat Arts but Culture. Ya kate ka program lapelong ha ka jingyalang kablalong ha ususo tham auditorium umentri rang ba aka JYlla ha ba penram la ban penkop ya ka dur thamai ya auditorium bat ka complex kabla shui laslem klem ka jingmaramat lane penbha.
First anniversary of the MDA to government, but it also is the 6th anniversary for the MDA government as a whole, because it was exactly on March 6th, 2018 that the government in MDA 1 was sworn in and MDA 2 was a year back. But it has been a very long and very exciting, challenging journey, and we have seen many ups and many downs, but of course looking back at this past 6 years, there are a lot of things that we are very happy to see that things have moved forward in the right direction in spite of the challenges. And like I had mentioned in the budget speech when I had spoken, and the reply, that we have laid a very strong foundation where now we are on the path of actually moving forward and taking the state forward to new heights. Process that we have laid down in governance today, without going into too much of details, I'm happy to tell you that in almost every sector that we have, we are seeing a very strong growth when it comes to the overall performance and economic development of the state of Meghalaya. Whether it's the road sector, whether it's the water sector, even in the power sector, you will see that we had a lot of challenges. But I can assure you that in the days to come, even this particular year, you will see a huge difference in the overall power scenario in our state. And in the years to come, I hope that we will be able to give a permanent resolution to this entire power crisis that we face. And let me assure him and the department that not only the additional funds to make this particular phase of the project successful, whatever additional funds required to do other projects also within this campus, we are happy to support. We will definitely give all the necessary funds required. This must become a center where we have talented youth coming in and being able to showcase their talent to the world, exchange with each other, learn from each other, and it should become a very lively campus. That's really, I think, what we should try to do. So we can have so many other things. There's enough space in this area. I hope that the plans will come out in that angle, and I hope that we'll be able to make this into a really happening, lively and a vibrant place where different forms of art and culture can really come in and can really be explored and improved. And as I said, we can have our youngsters show their talent.
We thought it prudent to make use of these funds that have come. And also, as I mentioned to the Chief Minister, wherever there is shortfall, which certainly will arise, for the Chief Minister to be kind enough to part with some more funds in order for us to be able to have both a space for drama and plays here and also for a cineplex. When it comes to plays and drama, Shillong has had a rich legacy. It has been a fertile ground for evening entertainment. As a college kid, I would recall that this hall was always packed and you had performances by the Rimpai Theatrical Center, the RTT, the HTCWO, and for a dash of humor, there was the Seng Birya Ukasi book. Now all that has died. That culture has died, and we need to reawaken and give it a fresh lease of life.